Hello guys, today's video I'm gonna show you the tool can help you scrape the follower from any user that you want on Instagram. So you can see on the screen, this the tool can help you do that. So first is account management function. So in this function, you can add and manage a limited Instagram account that you want. And to scrape the follower, I will go to data management. So first I will select the account to go to scan. And after that, I will set up the basic configuration. So first is a break time between interaction. I will set from 5 to 10 seconds. And after that, you can choose scan tab about scan save account information or scan account username or scan article, interaction, comment or review. Okay, so to scan the user, I will choose account. And in here, I will enter the username of the account that I want to scan for and press save. After that, I can set up the number of username that I want to scan. For example, I will set it up in here is 20. Okay, after that, you can choose scan forward or scan following of the account, or you can choose an option like about scan fast, only scan account name, or only public account scanning, or only scan your verified account. And after save done, I will choose begin in here and let the tool scan for me. Okay, so you can see on the screen is scraping done. So you can see this the list of username that I scanned from this tool. You can choose all this username and copy it. Okay, so basically just show you the tool can help you scaring follower from any user that you want on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you need this tool or more information, you guys can contact me on my Telegram or WhatsApp, and don't forget to like, subscribe for my channel to see more video about automation tool.